morning students, welcome to online class. Yesterday already explained some introduction part. Yesterday I explained roster form and set builder form. I will give some examples about raster form and set builder form. Okay. For example, raster form, set builder form. Raster form. For example, V equals to A, E, I, O, U. If the elements are separated by commas including with floor bracket or braces, this is called roster form. This can be written set builder form. V is equals to the set V is equals to X suffix X is a English is a vowel in English alphabet. Bracket close. If the given roster form or elements given, that elements is in the form of a sentence. You write the sentence form. That is called set builder form. If the given set builder form, you write the roster form. Like what are the vowels in English alphabet? A, E, I, O, U. It is including with the braces A, E, I, O, U. This is called roster form. Okay. And second one, for example, A equals to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. What are these numbers? Integers. These are integers. X such that X such that -2 and +2. The numbers in between -2 and +2, including with -2 and +2, are these 5 numbers in between -3 and +3. Okay, so X such that -3 less than X less than +3. For X belongs to integers. These are integers. So these integers in between -3 and +3. So -3 less than X means -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. And 3, X less than 3. 3 means less than 3 means below 3. -3 above. Okay, so -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Or this can be written as X such that -2 less than or equals to, including -2 is there. So less than or equals to X less than or equals to 2. X belongs to Z. You write like this also. Okay. Third one. For example, B equals to 1, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. Okay. B is equals to, this is 1/1, for example. Okay. It is in the form of 1/x. It is in the form of 1/x form like this. Okay. Such that X is a natural number less than or equals to 5, or x such that 1 by x less than x such that x is a x belongs to n and n x less than or equals to 5, x less than 6. This is the general form, 1 by x form like this. 1 by x. If you substitute x in the place less than or equals to 5 natural numbers. What are the less than or equals to 5 natural numbers? 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. If you substitute 1, you will get the first one. If you substitute 2, second one. Substitute 3, third one, and so on. So x less than or equals to 5 or less than 6. Less than 6 means below 6 numbers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that is. C equals to 2, 5, 10, 17. Okay, C is equals to x of x. X equals to n square plus 1. N square plus 1. This is the, for example, n equals to, n belongs to n, n less than or equals to 4. If you substitute n less than or equals to 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. If you substitute 1 in the place of n, 1 square, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, first number. Next, second number, 2, 2 square, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, second number. 3, 3 square, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, third number. 4, 4 square, 16, 16 plus 1, 17. So, these are in the form of n square plus 1. So, this can be written like this. X such that x equals to n square plus 1, n belongs to n less than or equals to 4. For example, given like this, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. Some C, some x. Okay, write the set builder form. What are the numbers? These are the cubes. Cubes. So, set builder form. X equals to x such that x equals to n cube. Cubes form. Okay. N belongs to n. N is a natural number and n is equal n less than or equals to 5. N less than or equals to 5. N belongs to n. N is taken from natural number set. N equals less than or equals to 5. Natural numbers less than or equals to 5 means 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These 5 you will take. Substitute in the place. 1 cube, 1. 2 cube, 8. 3 cube, 27. 4 cube, 64. 5 cube, 125. This is the roster form and this is set builder form. Also, write the sentence also. X such that x is a cubes of first 5 natural numbers. X such that x equals to x such that x is a cubes of first 5 natural numbers. You write like this also. What is the general form of the given roster form? You write like this. This is n cube, general form. This is the sentence, words. Okay. This is the roster form and the set builder form. For example, like given like this, x such that x is a y equals to x such that x is a squares of first n natural numbers. Given like this, one sentence is given. Okay, x such that x is a squares of first n natural numbers. Write the roster form. X y equals to y is equals to squares of first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers means 1, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, and so on. Last one is n square. That is the roster form. So, if you will give the roster form, you write the set builder form. If you will give the set builder form, you write the roster form like this. If you write the elements form, that is roster form. If you write the sentence form, that is set builder form. This is one most important 1 mark sum or half mark sum. Okay. Next step. Okay, next one is types of sets. Types of sets. The first and most important is, first one is empty set. What is the meaning of empty set? Empty means there is no element. That's it. A set containing no elements is called empty set. It is also called as void set. Void set. It is also called as void set or null set. Empty means there is no elements. That is called empty set. Empty set is also called as void set or null set. It is very most important set. It is denoted by phi. This is symbol phi. 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 Not pi. Pi means this one is pi. Okay, this is phi. Write 0. Write this. This is empty set symbol. Okay. Or write the empty brackets, floor bracket. That is also symbol for empty set. Okay. Empty set means there is no elements in that set. That is called empty set. Empty set is also called as void set or null set. It is denoted by the symbol phi or empty brackets, empty braces or floor bracket. Okay. For example, set of numbers less than 1 in natural number set. Set of numbers less than 1 in natural number set. What are they? What is the least natural number? 1. But here set of numbers less than 1. Less than 1. Okay. There is no numbers. So this is one example for empty set. X such that x plus 5 is equals to 5. X belongs to n. X such that x plus 5 is equals to 5, x belongs to n. You will take the x value any natural number. Okay, if you take any number, substitute in the x, gives both LHS and RHS are equal or not. For example, the least number is 1. 1. Substitute 1. 1 plus 5, 6. Not equals to 5. 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 not equals to 5. If you any number you will substitute LHS and RHS not equal gives. Okay. So there is no number. So it is also example for empty set. Okay. A equals to third one. A equals to set of x such that x is an odd number which is divisible by 2. You tell any number which is divisible by 2, any odd number. You will take any odd number which is exactly divisible by 2. Tell me odd number. Any odd number which is divisible by 2. No number. Odd numbers definition is if any odd number which is divisible by 2 gives the remainder is leaves the remainder is 1. There is no number exactly divisible by 2. So it is also an example for empty set. Okay, this is very most important empty set concept. Okay, the next one is node. Okay, pi is not equals to pi. Okay, pi is not equals to 0 also, because pi means empty set. This means a set containing 0 element. One element that is 0. Here the set containing one empty set also. This is one empty set. So a set containing one empty set. So that is not a empty set. These two are not equal. Okay. Next. Second one is universal set. Universal set means, for example, our world. World is a one universe. This is set. In this set, in the world, so many continents, so many countries, so many states. Okay. So world is the universal set to remaining states, countries, continents. Because which is the highest one. And for example, this Navodaya school. Navodaya school is a one universal set to all classes, first to 10th class. Okay, because in that Navodaya school, all classes are there. So Navodaya school is the universal set. Universal means the biggest set of all the given sets. Okay. So including remaining all, including that set. Okay, that is universal set. It is denoted by capital U, or it can be used mu. This is the symbol mu. MYU, mu. Universal set is denoted by mu. Okay. So universal set means the biggest set. Okay, next. Subset. This is very most important set. Subset. What do you mean by subset? Subset means, for example, A equals to the set elements 1, 2, 3. B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here A contains how many elements? 1, 2, 3. B contains how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. For every element of A, every element in A is also an element of B. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. Okay. So A is subset of B. A is subset of B because every element of A is an element of B. For example, 10th class students and Navodaya students. Okay, the 10th class students in your school is subset of Navodaya school because 10th class students are there in Navodaya school. That's why every student in Navodaya 10th class students is a student of Navodaya school in this school. Okay, so every element 1, 2, 3. These three numbers including set B. So A is a subset of B. It is denoted by this is. So A is subset of B. A is subset of B. Read as A is subset of B. A subset B. Simply read as A subset B. A subset B means for every element of A is an element of B. So the first one is the smaller set, the second one is the bigger set. For example, given like this, B is subset of A. B is subset of A means the elements in A is an element of A. Sorry, the elements in B is an element of A. So B is subset of A. Okay, this is subset. Concept of subset. This is very most important. So every element of A is an element of B, then A and B are called A is subset of B. A is subset of B. Okay, this is the symbol for subset. Okay, now note. Empty set is a subset of. Empty set is a subset of every set. Empty set is a subset of every set. Empty set already you know 5 is subset of A or B or C. Any set. Empty set is a subset of every set. And second one, every set is a subset of itself. Every set is a subset of itself means ప్రతి సెట్ దానికి అదే సబ్సెట్ అవుతుంది. That is, so for example, A equals to 1, 2, 3. Another one, A equals to 1, 2, 3. So according to what is the definition of subset? The elements of A is an elements of B, then A is subset B said. So here also 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. So every element of A is an element of A. So every set is a subset of itself. Okay, that is second important note. Third one. A is subset B, A is subset B, B is subset C, B is subset C, A is subset B, B is subset C, then A is subset C. One example I will give you. 1, 2, 3. That is A. B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. C equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is subset B. Is it right or not? Yes, right. Because every element of A is an element of B. So A is subset B. Okay, first statement right. B is subset C. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So every element in B is an element of C. So B is subset C. Then immediately A is also subset of C also. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So A is subset C. And A is subset B and B is subset C. Sorry, B is subset A is subset B and B is subset A. Then the two sets must be equal. A is subset B and B is subset A. It is when it is possible means A is equals to B. For example, A equals to A, E, I, O, U. B equals to set of all vowels in English alphabet. Okay, so here A equals to A, I, O, U. B equals to, what are the numbers? A, E, I, O, U. Alphabet, vowels in English alphabet means A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so every element of A is an element of B. So A is subset B. And every element in B is also an element of A. So then these two are equal. A is equals to B. Okay, this is the subset, some important notes. Okay, tomorrow I will give the next introduction part, and don't worry students, I will give the notes later. Okay, after complete the explanation part. Thank you.